After much lobbying against the International Criminal Court's pursuit of high-level suspects in various African governments and past regimes, the African Union is creating its own court to rival the ICC. The Kenyan ambassador to the African Union, Dr. Monica Juma, says the process of establishing the court has already commenced and high-level negotiations are underway to fine-tune the modalities of the court. African Union leaders have agreed that the African court comparable in mandate to the ICC would be located in Arusha, Tanzania. Attorneys from AU member states met in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia last month to work on the laws that would establish the court and define its operations. The move appears to be African Union's reaction to the repeated refusal by the United Nations Security Council to accept petitions to remove the International Court's arrest warrant on Sudan President Omar al-Bashir, who's facing charges for atrocities in the war-torn Darfur region. These and other ICC cases against African leaders and current and former military commanders in war-torn African countries has sparked arguments at the AU that the ICC was a foreign tool used to frustrate African leaders. Dr. Juma told fellows at the African Leadership Center that the proposed African court would be equivalent to the ICC. But South African Archbishop Desmond Tutu, who also addressed the fellows, warned that accusing the ICC of bias had immense risks and called for justice for both victims and suspects of atrocities in Africa. The Kenyan AU ambassador says AU member states will have to decide individually whether they want to pull out of the ICC's Rome Statute or remain as signatories to both the African Court and the Rome Statute.